Capricorn and Cancer. You need to think of these two signs, like the other signs in this series, as one giant sign, right? Complementary opposites, really, that need to be synergized, synthesized. Capricorn is one extreme of the spectrum, and Cancer down there is the other extreme of that spectrum. So what happens? Capricorn gives us self-discipline. It reins in our emotions, gets us to think logically, set goals, be strong in the face of weakness, in the face of temptation, to give in to our moods. See, Cancer has to give Capricorn the meaning to move on into the work. It has to deliver to us an emotional reason for going about the goal setting, for doing the tasks, for managing the people, for setting the goals, for putting in the work on a day-to-day basis. Now, when we stop and take care of our own emotional states, and we take care of us, we rely less on other people to take care of us. We don't ask of ourselves to take care of everybody else either. Because what happens is when we take on responsibility for everybody else, we lose sight of what's going on within, our own emotional states. And as a result, our work becomes non-emotionally fulfilling, right? If we're too Cancerian, we become too moody to be able to stick to a task and be disciplined enough to accomplish that task. If we become too Capricornian, we become too disciplined to ever spend time with ourselves and focus on our own emotional states. So the solution to this then is to be nurturing to others, Capricorn, but we do it by nurturing their strengths and not giving in to their weaknesses, not being overly mothering just because they scrape their leg. We realize that they're strong enough to deal with that, to get the Band-Aid out of the cupboard, to patch it up themselves, and we empower them to do that by setting the goals, talking them through, managing the process. That's what Capricorn does. Cancer allows us to have the emotional empathy towards that person in order to go out there and get it. When these signs come together, we have the perfect union of emotion and the physical expression of that emotion.